Today I'm going to talk, good morning. Today I'm going to talk about the dōTERRA Peace Oil and the Balance Oil. And for today only, you can get, if you buy the Peace Oil, you'll get the Balance for free. But this is a good, even if you're watching it after today, it's good review for both of them. So I'm just going to quickly speak on both of them. So first I'm going to speak on the Peace. I will describe what it smells like. It is really a combination of woodsy smells and florals, but you can't really smell the florals. I will be honest, it's much more, it's almost musky. It's really calming. Just one whiff and you can tell it's calming you immediately. So it is to bring about peace. That's why it is the reassuring blend. So if anybody's feeling anxious, moments of overwhelm, afraid, this blend is beautiful. So it is a combination. I'm going to get the exact. It has vetiver, lavender, ylang ylang, frankincense, clary sage, marjoram, and spearmint. But honestly, I can't smell the mints. It is the vetiver and the lavender, but mostly the vetiver. It has it's such a good synergy that you can't really hold on to one smell in particular. So how can you use it? What is it good for? So you can diffuse it at night to promote relaxation. If you're feeling anxious or in the household is anxious, it's a really wonderful one to use as well. It helps to feel composed, brave, and I also love putting it in a roller blend. So I'll actually mix the Peace and the Balance in a roller bottle and then top it off with fractionated coconut oil. And if I'm feeling stressed out or anxious, I will use both of them. It is the ultimate calming, and you can put it on the back of your neck, over your heart, over your pulse points, and use it at just any time. Have it in your pocket on the go, right? So it can be used for insecurities, worry, nervousness, irritability, restlessness, confusion, even addictions, eating disorders as well. It's great for calming a colicky baby. So if you were to use it near a baby, I would use a smaller amount or diffuse a lot less. So on a baby, you'd use a tiny, tiny amount with the rest topped up with fractionated coconut oil. So this means like 3 to 5 drops and topped up with the rest, as opposed to half and half like an adult would. Tiny, tiny amounts. Recovering from childbirth and also for meditating. Balance is, I'll describe, I can't stop smelling it, right? Balance is one of my favorites. I use it every day. I put it on the back of my neck at night before bed and in the morning on the back of my neck as well. And the reason for that is that it is known to help with cellular regeneration, and it helps with the functions of the cells. It is emotionally grounding, stabilizing, it's centering. You can diffuse it. I love using it topically. It's really calming for stress, anxiety, mood swings, neurological issues, of course, meditation again. If there's anger in the house or you're feeling anger, rage, fear, grief, and trauma, this is a go-to oil for that. So what does it smell like? It is a combination of a lot of wood smell. So it smells like the woods. It's warm, woody, grounding. It's very refreshing, and it has spruce leaf, whole wood leaf, frankincense, blue tansy flower, blue chamomile flower, osmanthus flower, and with a little bit of fractionated coconut oil. So this is a little bit pre-diluted. So this one you can use in so many different blends. I love the two together. These two, I feel like everybody goes through stress in their life, and if you need some liquid calm, This is beautiful. Carry it around with you, like I said, in a roller bottle. You can actually get the Peace in a roller bottle as well. But for today's BOGO, you may as well get the Peace and get your balance for free, because it's buy one, get this one free, which is a great deal. So great woodsy, musky smell, and great woodsy, calming, grounding, refreshing smell. If you have any questions, if you want further information, message me. I'm happy to help. Have a beautiful morning, everyone.